Hey guys, this is Pitbull here on the RPF. Wanted to show you guys my latest project, which is Data's Replica coat. This jacket now was a bit of a pain because you had to get certain patches custom made to actually replicate Data's screen used coat. Now I had numerous screenshots of Data's coat, his actual screen use coat, which somebody on the boards of the Goonies.org had posted pictures that I kind of scoured through the internet and was looking for, and I pretty much got what I needed to get as far as accuracy of the patches go, and placement especially, which was a pretty tough task to do, to get these actually lined up perfectly, aligned with the sleeves the right way. As you can see, the back of this here are the patches behind the coat. Now this Chinese patch right here was custom made through screen caps of the original one. Now this coat, I mean the Oregon patch here too, was custom made, which was the biggest pain in the you-know-what, because I cannot for the life of me figure out the font that was used, and especially the sizing of the font, the sizing of the patch. I was back and forth with the patch company. I mean, I'm surprised they didn't just give up on me, because I was such a big pain in the butt to them. Now, Data's coat that is actually used in the movie, this is not the correct size. The correct size of the coat is a 36L, which is a 36 long. Now, I don't know if that's longer sleeves, it's a longer, as far as coming down here, if it's longer this down here where it's tailored, where the tail end of it is. But this is the closest size you're going to get to the original. Now, in Data's coat, which I will post pictures on, is pretty much the same patch. It says Data on top, Data double, I think it says. I will post a picture of that and I will show you as soon as I do that. Now, like I said, this is a custom patch right here, the Chinese patch, which was a bit pain as far as color-wise goes to get the exact color down. Now, I was backing. Now you gotta understand something. When you're looking at picture, the color is completely different from what you're seeing in real life than you are, seeing it in the movie, in the film, and pictures or whatnot. So you gotta try to get it to the exact you can. So I think I did a pretty good job matching the color. It's more of a tannish than yellow, but this will do for now. Maybe, later on I will switch it up, but for now it's pretty good. Now this patch right here, the DB Norton Motor Corporation, this was a custom patch. Now when I got the patch, as you can see, it's kind of like a gold glittery patch, but I'm eventually going to re-get this one, but this is good enough right now. I just had trouble finding the exact color of the Norton patch, so that's that'll do for now. Now this patch right here was a pretty good replication of Data's patch. I have a very good screenshot of this. They did a pretty good job. The only thing I would say is that maybe the middles right here are not so rounded. They're more like pointed, then come back, almost like a triangle tip. But it's very minute. I would be the only one who would notice that, because I'm trying to get every detail exact on this coat. Now, this was a found patch, okay, through another member online, Kurt, who helped me find the exact patch for this, which I thank you for that. Here's another patch, the EK patch. Now this ain't 100% accurate, but it's pretty much 99% accurate, because the background is more of a camouflage. It's not just green. So eventually I'm going to get this, update this patch. But I kind of wanted to get all the patches on a base patch, on this coat that would replicate it, so you would know what it looks like. I was very eager to get this jacket done as I started getting all the patches. So this is another eBay find. Very simple patches. Now here's another one that's custom, which I thought was a great job. As you can see, the material, it's not a patch material. It's more of like a I don't know how to explain it. It's like a furry I think they call it chenille material. I think that's what it's called. I'm all new to this patch stuff, so bear with me here. Now this Easy Riders patch, I really lucked out getting this. I found this on eBay. It's an original patch. It's the original one that Data uses, with the semi-rounded, rigid edges. This is a very hard patch to find, so I'm glad I found this patch, because I was going to have to get that replicated too. Now the red line patch was definitely a replicated patch. As you could tell, I was trying to find them on the forum, and I could not for the life of me find it. So why not just get it done up? I had Roland on the RPF help me out with a drawing file of this to submit, but I didn't really need that because I kind of had a very high image scan from a patch that Kurt gave me on the RPF also, who is working on this code as well. This is an original 1985 USA patch. Now, this patch is the correct size. There's a lot of sizes that are 3.5 in width, you know what I mean, by 3 in height or what have you. But this is the right size that Data uses. It's original. That's an eBay find. It's an original patch from the World War, right there. Now this is a custom-made patch which came out very nice. I like it, but it needed to be the same material as the Artani's patch, which is Sinatra backwards. So it's pretty funny how the prop department did that. I thought that was a pretty clever idea. But this right here, this red material should be that green material right here. So it works. You're not going to really know these little fine details, like I said, if you're trying to replicate the code exactly. And other than that, you know, these are all eBay finds. These are all the original patches here. We have the Boy Scout patch here, number 3. Whole bunch of different patches. This is 84 or 86 or 85 Reds patch. I forgot what it was, but it's the correct patch. Now the Tiger here, the placement on this needs to be a little bit lower, so I'm gonna have to bring these two down just a bit more just to get them exact. So there should be, that yellow should be always showing. So right here is a pretty accurate patch to the original, and pretty much everything on this coat is original except for those custom patches. So like I said, the DB Norton motor is custom. Nobody Loves right here is custom. Chinese patch here is custom. Oregon here is custom. EK here is custom. The Artani's is custom. The red line is custom. The AA is custom. Now I'm missing 2 patches. The 2 patches I'm missing, one goes right here, which was a type of a bug. It's like a beetle patch, but I have not got any good reference to that yet, but I'm still working on that. So that's one patch that I need, and the other patch would go behind here, the left arm, which is the family crest, a Weinberg family crest. Now I have some screenshots of this, but I'm still in search for better. Just looking through publicity photos, Warner Brothers photos, seeing if I can find a nice clear image. But overall, man, you know, I love the way this jacket came out. It's pretty awesome. Now, you know, I'm gonna work on some other stuff too. I have the Pinches apparel I just recently did. Those came out pretty cool. Don't have time in this video to show off the full thing, but you know, like I said here, this is the coat. This is as replica as you're gonna get. You really ain't getting any more replica than this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, checking it out. If you have any questions about the coat, about where I got the patches, please just PM me. I will let you know all the detail, or you know, hit me up through YouTube. I'll link you. I have, you know, image files I could share, you know, of the custom patches I had made. So other than that, I just wanted to show this guy off to you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is Pitbull here signing off. Alright guys.